In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Yahoo email password if you've forgotten it using your iPhone. This process is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. Before we begin, just make sure you have access to either your recovery phone number or alternate email, as we'll need one of those to complete the process. First things first, go ahead and open your web browser on your iPhone. You can use Safari, Chrome, or whichever browser you prefer. In the address bar at the top, type in the URL https login.yahoo.com/forgot. This link will take you straight to Yahoo's sign-in helper page, which is specifically designed to assist users in recovering their accounts. Once the sign-in helper page has loaded, you'll see a field where you'll need to enter your Yahoo email address. Carefully type in your full email address, double-checking to ensure there are no typos, and then tap on the Continue button to move to the next step. Now Yahoo will present you with several recovery options. These are methods you've previously configured to recover your account, such as a phone number or an alternate email address. Choose the option that you have access to right now. For example, if you choose your phone number, they'll send a verification code to your phone. After you've selected your recovery option, keep an eye on your chosen contact method. Detach briefly from the screen, as you'll soon receive a message containing a verification code. This code is crucial for us to prove it's truly you trying to access the account. Once you receive it, head back to the browser and enter the verification code in the space provided. Always double check for accuracy here, as it ensures a smooth and seamless experience. With the correct code verified, you're almost done. The page should now guide you to a section where you'll be prompted to create a new password. This is your opportunity to craft a strong, memorable password that includes a mix of upper and lower case letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account secure. Importantly, there's no need for the old password in this process, which is really convenient. And there we have it. You have successfully reset your Yahoo email password on your iPhone. Make sure to store this new password in a safe place, or perhaps use a password manager if remembering these is a challenge. Don't forget to log in with your new password and update any apps or services where you've used your Yahoo login. Resetting your password can often prevent unauthorized access, so it's fantastic that you've taken this step. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide was helpful. Until next time, stay secure and happy browsing.